Do you know what an annoying sound is? No? Well, I'm going to tell you a little about this. Pay attention and you will discover what is the sound that bothers you. There are many sounds that can be annoying to the ear, although sometimes they cannot be avoided. A sound can bring us peace, good memories, make an unforgettable moment, but it can also cause serious discomfort. Certain noise can be unpleasant to the human ear due to the transformation of negative emotions in the area of the brain that process sounds in the auditory cortex. When talking about the most annoying noises, you can remember many throughout your life and you will surely have unpleasant sensations. Even by naming them, you can feel how your body shudders. And this is a compilation of the 10 sounds you will not want to hear. The sound of a fork touching a porcelain plate. The scrape of chalk against a blackboard. The contact of the nails on a blackboard. The detoning of a microphone. An electric drill against a wall. The noise of rusty chains. The cry of a baby, oh my god. The brakes of a train. A car alarm is very terrible. And the last, the explosion of a balloon.